If you've lost access to your Capital One account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website. Look for the sign in option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or the last 4 digits of your social security number. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you cannot receive verification codes, look for an option to answer security questions or use an alternative email address associated with your account. Select the method that works best for you. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you've successfully followed these steps, you should be able to access your Capital One account again. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Capital One customer support for further assistance.